2018 Nissan Armada. The Nissan Armada seats up to 8 comfortably, boasts an endurance V8 engine with 317 horsepower, 385 pounds of torque, and 9,100 pounds of maximum towing capacity. Set foot in an Armada and set off on the ultimate driving adventure. This vehicle has less than 45,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, power passenger seat, keyless entry, steering wheel audio controls, navigation system, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, traction control, power liftgate, tow hitch, stability control, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, aluminum wheels, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, 4-wheel disc brakes, keyless start. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.